Hello children. Today we are going to discuss about one small topic, safety measures while using email. With that we are going to discuss about what are spam mails and what is cookies. So the first safety measure while using email, never forget to sign out the email account. If you are using, that means if you are logging your account from your personal system, then also you should sign out your account after your use. Next is never share any kind of personal information through email for security. Never send pictures, especially your personal pictures, through email to people without informing your parents. Do not share password with friends. If your friends or relative, you trust them very much, then also don't share your password with anyone. Never send threatening mails to anyone. Not only threatening mails, when you are sending any mail, try to avoid any kind of harmful words or threatening words from your mail. And never reply to emails like some offers, you have won the lottery or you got that prize. That type of mails, if you are getting, don't give any reply for that type of mails. Next we are going to discuss about spam. Unsolicited emails received for which we have not requested or provided any information to the sender are called spams. It can be very dangerous because it may contain virus and promote scam activities like sharing personal information or payments information to the unknown sender of the email. So don't try to give any response or reply for the spam mails. So next, how we will identify spam mails? First, email messages did not ask for. Second, generally spam sent to many people. If you check the CC of your mail, of the spam mail, you can see it's sent to many people. It comes from unknown senders. The sender will be unknown for us. Spam mails always the sender will be unknown. Next, it gives us some offers like winning lottery, downloading free games or movies, etc. So that type of mails definitely comes under the spam mails. Generally, all the internet service providers have advanced system to detect the fraud mails and store it in the folder named spam. In your mail, you can see the left side inbox outbox. In that place down last the option will be spam. All these type of spam mails automatically will save in the spam folder. That's the reason here one point they mentioned, generally all the internet service providers have advanced system to detect the fraud mails and store it in the folder named spam. So what is spam on internet? Spam is any kind of unwanted, unsolicited digital communication, often an email, that gets sent out in bulk. Spam is a huge waste of time and resources. The internet service providers carry and store these kind of data. So if you read this paragraph, you will get some more information about email spam. It's also referred to as junk mail, unsolicited message sent in bulk by email. And email spam has grown since early 1990s, and by 2040s was estimated to account for around 90% of total email traffic. So these are some more information about email spam. Next we are going to discuss about what is cookie. An hypertext transfer protocol cookie is a small piece of data stored on the user's computer by the web browser while browsing a website. Once you browse a website, what are the contents you browse in that, what are the contents you search in that website? About that one small piece of data or that browsing, what you browse, its name will save in your system is known as cookies. Cookies were designed to be a reliable mechanism for websites to remember stateful information or to record the user's browsing activity. Once after searching, after browsing all the data, once you search your history, browsing history, you can see what are the things you browse in that particular date, particular time period, or what you search, everything you can see in your history. That small piece of information is known as cookies.